Those people were they wolves, and they dressed in sheep's clothing. You gotta watch out for them. You know, they're stumbling blocks. They're stumbling blockers to the wicked. They're stumbling blockers to the people that love darkness. And they'll tell you what you're doing is okay. As long as they can get paid, as long as they can get likes and get popularity, they'll tell you what you're doing is okay. And when they know the truth, now they might not do it, but they know truth, but they will agree and they will ride on your darkness. And they won't tell you the truth. They will agree with you. As long as you got some money, long as they can obtain fame, your likeness, popular votes, they will agree with your sin. They will become stumbling blockers. They become a stumbling block to you. They're in your way. And they will allow you to keep doing what you're doing. In fact, they even pass laws for you to do it. Just to say, yeah, I voted that in. So they can get fame. So they can get the popular vote. So they can get people to like them. So they can get paid. And you got to watch out for people like that. These wolves in sheep's clothing. Man, some of them sit in Congress. Some of them sit in church. Some of them are pastors, ministers. And you gotta watch them because they will say some stuff. They'll be like, "Be you, do you." You gotta watch them because they think you think that they're for you, but they really not for you. They're against you, and you can't see it because you into your darkness. And these are wolves in sheep's clothing, and they harlots. The harlots, they prostitute.